Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I am here with a quick unboxing. I don't even know if it's really an unboxing because it didn't really come in a fancy box. It is a bag from Coach. It's one that I kind of kept, on the lookout for, and they came back with a pink lilac color, which it was in my cart. I checked out and it sold out, so only this other color shipped. And I am a little bit excited. I have been gravitating towards slightly bigger bags as well as pink colors, but this is not a pink color because the one that I did get was canceled because they ran out of stock. But anyway, let me just show you. I'm not sure I'm going to keep it, but I thought if I did love it enough, I want to make sure I capture my first initial reaction to it. So this is why I'm filming it. Oh, by the way, Coach will be releasing a pink denim. I know a lot of you have been really into the pink denim. So I just want to point that out, that's coming out sometime in the next month, I think. Okay, let's get into this one. So it did come in this massive box, which it's not going to fit. So I'm going to just take out the item. All right, so it comes in this plastic bag, says Coach on it. Again, it is an outlet piece, but I have since bought I think a few things now from the outlet, and it's not too bad. Sometimes it's not great, but we'll see how this one goes. Right. I can say it is very well packaged. Oh my goodness. Okay, so you can kind of already see it, but let me... Wow, they even have like a special cutout of this foam to fit into here. That's crazy. This is very well packaged. Actually, this is probably the most well packed item that I've seen, because you can see all of the like different sizes of little foam things are in between these little links. Okay, so I took off the front side. As you can see, it does have two straps. I took off only one of them for now, but you can see that the chain goes into a leather strip right here. The top of the bag has a zipper closure, which is great, and tons of padding in here as well. Oh wow, okay. So this is crazy. The inside is so well packed. You can also see all the little like rolled up stuffing like in each of the corners. They really made an attempt to keep this bag pristine in its shape. Okay, so all the stuffing is out, but there's still like a lining at the bottom. As you can see, it is a custom foam base. All right, so there's some more gel packs and stuff in here. It's very well packed. This is by far the best bag packed situation I've ever seen. So, okay, most of everything is out now. As you can see, there's still some packaging things here I haven't taken out, but now the bag is kind of what you would think if it's empty, right? So it does still sit on its own, but it's very soft and squishy, which is a very different look to a lot of my leather totes. So I kind of like that. So this one kind of sits like right on the top of my hips, and it is a good shoulder length drop, and yeah, you can fit a lot in here. I'm pretty sure, like, look how big. And this is the smaller of the two sizes. There's a large size as well. I believe the large size is a lot taller and it's maybe a little bit thicker, but in general, I think it's the same shape. So why I went for this bag, I think it is a very well priced bag for a leather bag. It is not lined in leather. It is lined in this like cotton twill material. And there are, let's see, 2 slip pockets in here, so not a ton of there's no zipper pockets either, which there usually is one, but no zipper pocket, so it's a very big compartment. I have my Dior water bottle here. You can kind of see what it looks like. I'll link it below, but it does fit really nicely here, and it can be zipped up. So it's like a nice elegant tote bag, if you will. Now, the thing about this is there's no feet. So I think it is for a bigger bag, something that I would have preferred, but for the price, I think it's actually very, very good. I really like the silhouette. That was another thing that I really wanted to get this for. I love the ripple effect, but none of these are actually functional. So it's not like the Chanel 22 where you cinch it up in order to wear. These straps are attached to the bag, but they don't really move the bag. And the reason is, let me just show you. On the inside, you'll see that there is a little piece right here that stops it from moving. So this like you can pull it, but it doesn't go any further in because there's like a bar that stops it. And so the same reason why you cannot pull this chain out, because the bar stops it. So this just creates the look of a cinch, but it doesn't actually cinch your bag. So you don't actually need to cinch your bag to close this. In fact, it's a very secure zipper top. And when you carry the straps, it doesn't like close up your bag either. It keeps this like shape. So if that's something you like, great. If it's not, like you actually want to cinch it in, then you may not like this bag because obviously you cannot cinch it in. So this bag comes in a few different colors. I will kind of pop them up here. There's a really cool green. There's also a denim, the last time I checked. But I actually think I would like a more dark color. This is called Maple in the silver hardware. So I have a lot of bags that are gold hardware, so I thought it was kind of nice to have a tote with a silver because it's more casual. So the color combination is actually great. The purple pink one is a gold one, which looked really pretty, but part of me wondered if I liked it more for the thought of the color than actually, you know, wearing it. I think this will wear a lot better. This material is like a smooth, or what they call shiny. It doesn't look that shiny to me, but it is very smooth. And I picked the one that is quilted. So you can kind of see the quilting pattern. There's also one that is slightly less expensive that is not quilted. It's just the same material of leather, but I like the quilting look more. These quilts are not puffy like the Chanel ones, but I mean, if you just like the look of the quilting, then this is a great option as well. So the zipper is another huge factor for why I got this, because I was thinking if I wanted to, let's say, travel with this bag, I can now just zip it shut like this, and then it's very secure. So yep, I really like this. Here's the Coach hang tag. I'm currently not sure how I feel about this without the feet, because it is going to be a bag that I think would fit a lot, and I would probably not keep it on my chair, meaning I need to put it on the ground. So I'm afraid that the leather will get scuffed up, but yeah, I don't know. What are your thoughts? All my handbags have been pretty good, even ones without feet. I've kept pretty pristine, so maybe this is just a needless worry. I also wanted to point out that because these straps don't actually cinch or move, you can't really wear this as a crossbody, because a lot of the times with a moving strap, you can create like a shoulder strap like length and then a crossbody strap length. I don't know if I would have worn this longer because it's so big, it would swallow me up. So I think I'm going to keep it as a shoulder bag, which that's why I didn't mind that I didn't move. But in case that's something you were thinking about, it does not move. These straps are locked in to this length. I personally think this length is great for my shoulder. So yeah, I think overall I do really like this bag. It is exactly how I thought it would be. I will have to think about it some more, and yeah, so anyway, I am very excited that this is like a Chanel 22 style, that cinched kind of soft, you know, supple tote, but like elegant handbag look without being the high price tag that, let's say, Chanel is, Louis Vuitton is. So if you're interested in something like this, I could tell this is really well made. Like all of the stitching, all of the material looks really great, and they took amazing care in packing this up, which is another testament to like how much they care about the product, right? Oh, you know what? I just noticed there's no dust bag with this, and I've noticed that as well when I bought my Coach bag in person at the outlet. I had to like purchase a dust bag to go with it. If you bought a Coach retail, also not outlet bag, I'm sure you get a dust bag with it. It's like that white silky nylon material. So that is something to pay attention to if you are somebody who wants that dust bag. The dust bag at the store was able to be purchased. I believe I paid $10 for it, so it's not terrible, but if it is something I really wanted for it, I can get it. So yeah, first impressions, it's exactly how I imagined it to be. Everything. The packing is better than I imagined it to be. And yeah, I'm going to think about it some more, but so far I am pretty impressed with it for the price tag. And yeah, sometimes they do go on sale as well. So I will link this one below, as well as the larger size below if you're interested. And if you're interested in the Coach pink denim, I'm hoping to get some pieces from there when they release, so I will try to link that in my Instagram when I see it. If you don't currently follow me, it's at Clutch to Carry All. Leave your comments below of this item. Do you have this piece? Are you interested in this piece? Let me know. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.